You are listening to the Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
All right, let's jump right in. Today we're going to try and cut through some of the noise, unpack some really fascinating tech shifts that are happening, like right now.
Yeah.
The idea is to quickly figure out what's actually important for you to know.
Yeah.
Because this isn't just theory, right? It's stuff shaping your gadgets, your work, even space travel.
Exactly. And I think what stands out today is just the sheer speed of it all, how quickly innovation is, changing things day to day. It's pretty amazing.
Okay, so let's start close to home. In your pocket, maybe. The future of gadgets. First up, Apple. There's buzz about a huge iPhone overhaul, like a once-in-a-generation thing. We're talking a 3-year plan. First, a super thin iPhone Air. Then, get this, a foldable iPhone in 2026. And for the 20th anniversary in 2027, maybe a curved glass iPhone 20.
Wow. Yeah, that's a big roadmap. And it tells you something significant, I think.
What's that?
Well, it suggests Apple believes the next real battleground isn't just software tweaks, it's the physical form of the phone. They seem to be betting big on changing the hardware itself.
So pushing competitors to think beyond just faster chips and better cameras.
Exactly. It's like they're saying, keep up with our hardware vision or you'll look dated. It's a pretty bold strategy for the whole mobile market.
Interesting. Okay, sticking with hardware but shifting gears. Let's talk Meta. They're making some serious moves in augmented reality AR.
Right. Two things caught my eye there.
Go on.
First, this new 2-millimeter laser display they have developed. It uses photonic integrated circuits, PICs, basically tiny chips using light, not just electricity.
And maybe means?
Much better color, more vibrant, more accurate, which is, pretty crucial if you want AR glasses that feel truly real, not just like a clunky overlay.
Okay, better displays. What's the second thing?
The actual product. They're launching Hypernova smart glasses, supposedly next month.
Hypernova, okay.
Yeah, small display in the right lens, comes with a wristband for gesture control. Price tag looks like around $800 in partnership with EssilorLuxottica.
So you've got the advanced display tech cooking in the lab and these Hypernova glasses hitting the market soon.
Precisely. And you can see how they fit together, right? The advanced PIC display tech could eventually make its way into something like Hypernova, maybe the next generation. It's about pushing the core tech forward while getting more accessible AR devices out there now, building towards that bigger AR future.
Makes sense. Okay, let's pull back from personal gadgets to bigger industry shifts. AI is obviously huge everywhere.
Understatement, yeah.
And you can't talk big AI swings without mentioning Elon Musk, his newest thing. An AI software company called Macrohard.
Hey, yeah, Macrohard.
Seriously. The goal is apparently to create AI that can generate specialized code, build generative AI agents, maybe even simulate entire software suites like Microsoft stuff, eventually, all AI-driven.
And it's tied into xAI's big supercomputer, Colossus 2, needing millions of Nvidia GPUs, right?
That's the connection, yeah.
Yeah.
So is this just Musk being provocative with the name, or is it a genuine threat to traditional software companies?
I think it's both, probably. The name is definitely a jab. But the underlying idea, using massive AI models to automate software development itself, that's potentially revolutionary. It challenges the whole way software has been built for decades.
So less human coding, more AI-generating applications.
That seems to be the bet. Whether it works or how quickly, that's the billion-dollar question. But it's a serious signal about where some people think software is heading.
Right. And speaking of AI adoption, or maybe forcing AI adoption, there's that story about Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong.
Oh, yeah, that caused a stir.
He apparently fired some engineers because they didn't immediately jump on board and start using the company's new internal AI assistant tools.
He basically said, using AI here isn't optional, it's a mandate.
What do you make of that from a sort of company culture perspective?
It's aggressive.
Yeah.
It definitely sends a message internally and externally that Coinbase is all in on AI, like right now. But it also raises questions, doesn't it, about how you manage rapid tech adoption. Does forcing it like that actually boost innovation, or does it risk alienating talented people who might be more cautious or need more time?
Yeah, it's a tough balance. Forcing hands versus encouraging adoption.
Definitely something other companies are probably watching closely.
Okay, one last stop on our tech tour today. Let's look up to the stars. Quick update on SpaceX's Starship.
Right. The latest big test flight got scrubbed pretty recently. Ground system issue, not the rocket itself.
Okay, so they'll likely try again soon.
Yeah, seems very likely. The plan remains ambitious. A controlled splashdown for the Super Heavy booster in the Gulf of Mexico, and the Starship itself aiming for the Indian Ocean.
And these tests, even the scrubs, they're still important, right?
Absolutely critical. Every attempt, success or scrub, provides just tons of data. It helps them figuring the kinks, refine the systems. It's all about learning fast to get to that goal of rapid, reliable reusability. That's the key to making space access cheaper and, well, more routine.
Wow. Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground pretty quickly. From Apple redesigning the iPhone shape, Meta pushing AR boundaries with new displays and glasses.
To Musk's Macrohard aiming to automate software with AI, and Coinbase demanding its engineers use AI tools.
And finally, Starship reaching for orbit again. It really feels like the pace is just relentless across the board. Hopefully, this quick run-through on Vocal Technologist gave you a good sense of some key shifts.
Definitely makes you think. And maybe that leads to a final thought for everyone listening.
Go for it.
As all this tech accelerates, faster and faster, how much real say do we actually have in directing where it goes and how it impacts us? Or are we increasingly just, well, along for the ride?
Spoken Tech for your ears.